Hello again, and welcome to week 3 of our summer Math 081 course. At this point, I can already tell that many of you are getting very comfortable navigating within Canvas and within more, and I am seeing lots of 100% scores on our homework assignments and on our quizzes. So it looks like we are all falling into a routine with the class, which is wonderful. As always, remember, if you have any questions or if there's anything you're still not sure of, please don't hesitate to reach out to me so we can definitely get all your questions answered. All right. I also wanted to let you know that I really enjoyed reading all your discussion posts and all the replies you wrote to each other in the student introduction discussion board. It sounds like we're finding we have a lot in common and we're creating a nice community of learners. And we're also already starting to share some great tips on how to develop our habits of becoming a successful math student, as you saw in the discussion board for week 2. So I'm really enjoying reading your posts. Please keep up the good work and continue to share your great ideas with each other. Okay, in week 3, what I want to focus on is the Canvas equation editor. So as you go into the modules, you will find the module for week 3. So make sure that you're always starting your week off by going to the week 3 overview. So if you're watching this video, you obviously are following the correct path. So let's just take a quick look at what we have for this week. Make sure you reply to one of your classmates by Wednesday night for the How to Learn Math discussion board. That's where you're going to learn a lot of great ideas from your classmates about how to develop the successful habits that successful math students have. So I can't wait to hear all your replies on that. One other thing is we're going to have a Let's Meet session. I scheduled this one for Friday. I did receive some feedback, and the feedback I received was that the afternoon time slots were good for everybody, but there was a request, a couple of requests to have the session later in the week, so that way you had some time to work on the homework assignments Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then by Friday when we meet, you'll be able to generate a list of questions, or you'll come to the Let's Meet session with some specific questions that you want answered on the homework. So let's see if this time having it on a Friday might be more beneficial so you can ask some direct questions on the material for week 3. So I will see you hopefully this Friday at 1:30. But what I really want to draw your attention to in this video is the assignment that you have coming up called How to Use the Canvas Equation Editor. So the Canvas Equation Editor is a symbol palette that allows you to enter mathematical notation when you're taking the online exams in Canvas. So for instance, maybe you need to enter a fraction or a mixed number, or something with a variable or something with an exponent. You want to make sure you're using proper notation when you're typing your answers in on the exams. And that's what the Canvas Equation Editor helps you do. So at this page right here, I have a quick video that walks you through the steps for using the Canvas Equation Editor, and it shows you how to enter some certain mathematical notation. So your goal is to watch this quick video, and then after you watch the video, you'll notice during week 3, we have a quick quiz called How to Use the Canvas Equation Editor. The quiz is just 4 quick questions, and really all you're doing in the quiz is you're just entering notation. So like a question on the quiz might be, enter the fraction 1/3. So I'm really only assessing you on your ability to use the equation editor. So you're not really going to be solving any math problems in this quiz in particular. You're just going to be practicing using the equation editor. Or I might say, enter the expression 5 squared, just to make sure you know how to type an exponent using the Canvas equation editor. So make sure that you watch the video on the page previous to this, and then when you take the quiz, you're using the equation editor to enter proper mathematical notation. Okay, so that's what I wanted to draw your attention to for this week. And then if you return to the weekly module for week 3, let's just get a quick overview of what else is coming. So hopefully, again, like I said, I'll see you on Friday at 1:30. You'll take your quiz on how to use the Canvas equation editor, and then you have your assignments due Sunday night for units 5 and 6. And then we have a discussion board for sharing some strategies for how to be most efficient when you're doing your homework and how to make homework useful to you. So it's not just something where we go through the motions, but so we're actually learning by doing the homework questions, and we're practicing our strengths, and we're also identifying areas for improvement so we know what to ask questions on during the Let's Meet session. And then you have a content page for comparing fractions with the same numerator. So there's 3 different methods that we're going to learn about for comparing fractions when we're deciding which fraction is greater than the other. So in this content page, I do go through the 3 different methods. And then you'll notice after you take a look at the 3 different methods, we have an extend your learning assignment. And you also did one of these last week. This is where you print the assignment out and you complete it in your own handwriting, and then you scan and upload it for grading. Okay, so that is a summary of week 3, and as promised, the code word or code phrase, actually this time it's going to be a code phrase. I want you to tell me the date and time of the Let's Meet session this week. So make sure that you go back in the module and look, or go look in the calendar and send me a message with the date and time of the Let's Meet session for week 3. I'll give you a hint. It's on Friday, but I want the specific date and a specific time. Have a wonderful day.